Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel filler neck on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fuel vapors. Disconnect your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. If your fuel tank is full, siphon out as much fuel as possible to reduce spills. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the repair. Now, let's prepare for removal. Safely lift the rear of your Jeep using a floor jack and secure it firmly with at least 2 jack stands. Next, remove the rear wheel and the inner fender liner to gain clear access to the fuel filler neck assembly. You will then need to locate and disconnect the mounting screws or bolts holding the filler neck to the vehicle's body. Carefully detach any small hoses or electrical connectors attached to the neck. With access clear, it's time for removal and installation. Use a screwdriver to loosen the hose clamps that secure the filler neck to the fuel tank's rubber hose. Gently twist and pull the old filler neck free from the fuel tank connection. Before installing the new part, clean the fuel tank opening and inspect the connecting hose for any damage. Then, carefully insert the new fuel filler neck, ensuring it seats properly, and tighten all hose clamps securely. For the final steps, reassemble everything. Reconnect all small hoses and electrical connectors that were detached earlier. Secure the new filler neck to the vehicle's body using its mounting hardware. Reinstall the inner fender liner and the rear wheel. Carefully lower your Jeep back to the ground and reconnect the battery terminal. Add about 1 or 2 gallons of fuel and thoroughly check for any leaks around the new filler neck connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.